Addie, seriously, what on earth are you mixing at this hour?
Mind your own business, Jen.
Dude, the whole room smells like a grocery store pantry.
It is 100% organic, okay?
Wait, is that my expensive Greek yogurt?
Maybe.
You idiot! I bought that for my breakfast smoothie.
Chill out. I only took 2 spoons.
2 spoons of pure theft, you mean?
Your breakfast can survive, but look at your face.
My face looks perfectly fine, thank you very much.
Look in the mirror. You have a giant stress pimple on your nose.
That is from dealing with your nonsense every single day.
Whatever. Just let me mix this graham flour properly.
Graham flour and yogurt? What is this, 2012?
Hey, grandmother's remedies never fail.
Skincare masters on YouTube would literally faint seeing you right now.
Those masters sell chemicals for $50.
At least those chemicals don't drop yellow stains on my blanket.
Oh, shoot. Did I drop some?
Yes! Right by your foot. Wipe it fast.
Relax, drama queen. It hasn't dried yet. If Mom sees that, we both are dead meat. You won't die. You are her precious golden child.
True. I'll just tell her you did it.
Wow. Remind me never to trust you with secrets. Like I'd keep your boring secrets anyway. Shut up and come here.
Why should I?
I made extra for your massive forehead.
Excuse me? My forehead is perfectly proportional.
Keep telling yourself that, landing strip.
Throwing insults won't make your paste look less like baby poop.
Shut up!
It looks nice. It looks chunky. You didn't mix the lumps out, you loser.
Come fix it then, smarty pants. Give me that spoon.
See? You can't stay away from my DIY genius. I am just saving a room from a biohazard. Add a little honey from the shelf behind you.
The organic one or the regular one?
Don't touch the expensive one.
Look who is talking about saving things now.
Hey, what the heck, Addie?
It matches your personality.
You are literally so annoying. Look at yourself in the mirror. You look like a tribal warrior. Not near my eye, you idiot! Serves you right. Don't mess with the master. My skin was glowing before you ruined it. Your skin was looking like dry sandpaper. Shut up. I moisturize twice a day. Stealing my moisturizer doesn't count as your routine. Sharing is caring, sister dear. It's not sharing if I don't know about it. Small details don't matter in a family. Tell that to my empty bottle of serum. That niacinamide thingy, it broke me out anyway. Because you were supposed to use 2 drops, not half the bottle.
Instructions are just opinions, honestly. You are going to burn your face off one day.
Not today.
Today is organic day. Fine. Apply this yellow sludge before it dries in the bowl. Hold the mirror for me. Do I look like your servant? Please. Just for 2 minutes. Only if you promise to do my laundry tomorrow.
No way, that's blackmail.
Take it or leave it.
Fine, just hold it.
But only the shirts. Deal.
Oh, God, this is freezing cold. That's because the yogurt was in the chiller section, genius. My pores are literally screaming right now.
Good.
Maybe they will finally close up. Look how smooth I am applying it. You missed a spot near your eyebrow. Where? Here? No, higher. Don't get it on your hair. Relax. It washes out easily. If it dries in your eyebrows, you'll wax them off. Wait, seriously? No, you gullible idiot. Stop scaring me. I need my brows. You look hilarious right now, like Shrek's yellow cousin. If I am Shrek, you are Fiona after midnight. Wow, creative insult. 10 points to Gryffindor. Put some on your face too. Stop acting like a drama queen. No way. I am using my sheet mask tonight. Little slimy things. They look so creepy. They hydrate skin perfectly. Oh, they make you look like a serial killer from a horror movie. At least I won't look like a turmeric statue. Touch my cheek. It feels cooling already. I am not touching that wet mess. Come on, just a little bit on your cheeks. Keep away from me, Addie. I swear to God, if you touch my clothes, you are dead. Just a little smudge. Stay back, you monster. Why are you running? Because you have zero boundaries. Okay, fine, I'll stop. I am losing my pack anyway. Sit down and let it dry properly. My face is getting tight. That means you shouldn't talk or you'll get wrinkles. You just want me to shut up. Exactly. Best side effect of this pack. Too bad. I can talk through my teeth. You sound like a ventriloquist doll. It's creepy.
I am coming for your smoothies.
Stop laughing. You are cracking the paste. Oh no, it's flaking off. See? Told you. Now don't move your mouth. Give me my phone. Where is it? Under your pillow. Found it. Who are you texting at midnight? None of your business. Is it that guy from your tuition class? Shut up, no! Oh my God, you are turning pink under that yellow. Give me the phone before I throw this bowl at you. What's his name again? Rohan? His name is Rahul, and we are just friends. Ha! Caught you. You admitted it. Dang it, you tricked me. You are too easy to read, little sister. Give it back. Seriously, Jen. Here. He's a dork anyway. He is not a dork. He is nice. He wears mismatched socks to coaching class. That is a fashion statement. That is a cry for help. Whatever. At least someone texts me back. Ouch. Low blow, kid. Truth hurts, doesn't it? For your information, I am intentionally staying single. Yeah, and I am the Queen of England. Look at this beauty. Ew, it looks like wet paper.